Hello, it is RubyNVamArt once again back with another video. Today we're gonna be making a furry Wenda squishy from Sprunki, because seems y'all really like Sprunki. So we're gonna do more Sprunki on the channel. There are gonna be some more Dandy's World as well. Our two highest fandoms that we're going to be making. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the things that you're gonna need to make this. So first, paper. Sorry, this is a bit crushed paper. Tape. Using a tape dispenser. Tape. Glue. A pencil for outlining. You don't have to use it, but yeah. Scissors. Sharpie, and lastly, cotton wool, of course, to make the squishy. Okay, got a new paper, so now we're going to be doing Wenda. We're gonna be drawing Wenda right here on this. Now again, I'm gonna make this a bit big so that we can actually see Wenda. Oh my god, that looks hideous. I'm keeping that. Ears. Now again, we don't have to do eyes because we're gonna, put the outside with cotton as well. So I'm just gonna make Wenda normally, without the eyes. If not, it's just gonna look weird. So normal outliners. So this is not going to be that bad, not too hard, just outline it. There you go. Wenda, I think I'm just going to draw this. Because why not? And I don't give a heck. Now we're just gonna cut this out. There we go. We're cutting out. Now we're gonna do a second cutout. And now, yeah, after you do the second cutout, we should be good. Now, Vam is going to he's going to be cutting this out on camera for us. So we're gonna see them having a time cutting it out. Sorry, I was just helping. Yeah, guys, this scene is always so dirty. How about there you go, that should be like that. I need to clean you guys' screen again. After the wash, just wipe. Okay, what do you think, guys? Is your screen better? Thanks. I mean, you're welcome for the service. Every single video, I'm just gonna do this tradition of cleaning your screen. Because cleaning screens is fun. Focus. Volume up so that you can hear this. We're gonna cut. Sorry, we're gonna stick this. Just forget this exists. Yeah, we're gonna stick these two together again, like my sky headbands and my other, like my Dandy's World squishy video. We're gonna do the same thing again. So just stick it on this one, easy, like this. I'm trusting the camera right now. I'm looking right at the camera. I'm trusting it that this is a good. Yeah, cut it quick. Thanks. And we're gonna do the same thing, exactly the same thing as the Dandy's World squishy. Head with the head. Yeah, just cut this part off. Nice. Still can see that, but I'm just move that over there. Don't even ask why I'm talking like this. I don't know. Yo, can y'all see it now? Isn't it cool and epicness? Hope you're enjoying the video so far. Even though it's boring cutting, which is probably 58% of the entire video. Am I right? Sticks. Okay. Let me see. Alrighty guys, now we're just gonna have to cut this, which I already did. And now I'm just going to put the cotton into, actually, wow, that's pretty hard to put. I might just put some in here and then cut another part here at the top of the head. Humble! We're gonna need a lot of cotton wool for this actually, because we're gonna have to use the cotton wool to make the fur, because it's furry Wenda. Isn't that obvious? Sorry. Just okay, just sticks it. Okay, I'm probably gonna do another cut on the top or something. Okay, the ears might not be squishy, but I don't care that the ears aren't squishy. Add one cotton ball. Oh. No, but ears are not going to be squishy. Even though I really do not care at this point. Yes, just rip it off. Alright, this is pretty hard. Now we're going to use our glue. And we're going to be gluing this. Like, make sure it's chopped up and stuff, so individual pieces. We're just gonna add a bit of glue where you want it to go. You might need actually a few layers. Look at that, that's furry. Okay, that sounds weird how I said that. Okay, it looks really good. Okay, that, I'm joking, that does not look that good. If it doesn't look good, it's not your fault, it's mine. Probably mine, because why did I decide to make a video of this? Stack a ton of wool or cotton or whatever you want to call it. Do here next. I forgot to glue the hair. That's not bad. I bet yours is looking as good as mine. Cause yeah, it should be. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do a bit of trimming. Just give me a sec. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, look guys, this is the full finished art. So I just have to add the eyes and the mouth. So what we're gonna do is take another paper. We're gonna draw some. We're gonna draw some eyes. Okay, that's way too. I don't know what I'm doing, baby. Y'all can stop. Now we're gonna draw some adorable eyes. It doesn't have to be adorable. Okay, just make the eyes look nice. And each other, because I have nowhere else to make them look. I'll draw them off later. We're gonna cut the eyes out. I'm not gonna show it on camera because y'all know how to cut eyes, right? So, after I have made these, we're going to use our glue stick. We're just gonna. Sorry, I forgot the I'm sorry. Just add some eyes. It's gonna look epic. I promise it's gonna look epic. If it doesn't look epic, then it's not epic. And I'll be sad. Because you and I worked so hard on making this. And Vam worked so hard in the editing. Right now, just wrap the entire thing in glue, yeah. Just okay. How am I supposed to take it out? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Just give me a sec, guys. Yeah, okay, I think I got it. And I'm just gonna stick it. Okay, I'm so done with this project. I just have to hold it till it dries or something. Yeah! Oh my god, and there you go. You're finished. Don't forget to do the back too. I didn't show the back because I'm lazy. But I did do the back. It looks a bit ugly, so I'm not showing it to you. But, finale product. This is the finale product. And now you can subscribe if you want. You don't have to. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like this video. because oh my god, I'm so sorry. Give you some glasses. You're gonna like this video, please. We're a new channel who don't have much subs, so we would really appreciate you liking. So yeah, can we take this glass off you? You're welcome. And yeah, goodbye guys. Oh yeah, don't forget about Pebble. Arf! You just wanted to say hi. So, in that case, goodbye.